You searched how to buy shares of NASDAQ Ltd. NASDAQ is a digital advertising technology company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker KNRX. This is an educational walkthrough and not financial advice. Always research before investing. To trade, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds to buy shares. Use the broker platform search box and type the ticker KNRX to locate NASDAQ Ltd. Make sure you select the NASDAQ-listed result that matches the company name. On the KNRX stock page, review the company's summary and the price chart to confirm you have the right asset. Verify the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker KNRX before proceeding. To buy, tap Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to spend and choose Market or Limit Order, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once executed, your NASDAQ position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. If you want to open an account, the eToro link is available in the video description.